Hey, knitters and gamers. Now we are on the back bodice to the Fortnite Choice Emote sweater. So it's going to be a little different from the front. I will do the front later. The front has the llama, but the back just has the actual, like on the sleeve, has the llamas and has the trees. We're going to incorporate that design from the sleeve onto the back of the sweater. So for right now, for the back, we need to cast on the stitches. So if you need a refresher for casting on, and this is your first sweater, or if you just need a refresher how to do the cast on method, you can go to my video here, my most recent one for the sweater, and it'll tell you how many stitches to cast on. Now, what we're going to do is see the bottom of the sweater. We're going to go ahead and it's one color. So we're going to go ahead in the red and we're going to knit 2, purl 2 for the ribbing. And we're going to knit 16 rows of the knit 2, purl 2. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a demonstration, just a short video of knit 2, purl 2 for the sweater portion of it. And you also will be casting on for your sweater 112 stitches. I have an updated video to the sweater of how much to cast on over here, which is the same video as how to cast on. All right, everyone, let's get started on the ribbing. All right, so for the sweater portion of it, it has a decent amount of knit 2, purl 2. So all we're going to do is for 16 rows, we're going to go ahead and just knit 2 and purl 2. And I'm knitting in the round, and this is flat knitting, so it does not join together. And it just makes it easier because the knitting needles are longer and it's better for demonstrations. You can also use straight knitting needles, just depending how long the knitting needles are. All right, so we're going to knit 2. Okay, so all you're doing is just knitting your 2, and then you're going to purl your 2. And I have other tutorial videos on knit and purl. Okay, and then we're going to knit 2, and then we're going to purl 2. This is a great way to get your skills all together into a sweater for your stitches. Okay, so we got knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and now we're going to knit 2. We're going to purl 2. We're going to knit 2. We're going to purl 2. We're going to knit 2. And then we're going to purl 2. And we're going to do that all the way around. And you're going to flip your knitting needles. Don't join it together. Keep it open space like this when you're using in the round. And this is going to be a flat pattern. We will be joining the seams later once all the pieces are completed. For more on how to make this inspired Fortnite Choice Emote sweater, or for any type of ugly sweater that you want to have for the holidays, you can go ahead and watch my videos for the sleeve tutorials, and links will be down below. All right, everyone, happy knitting. Bye for now. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see everyone next time.